Are you ready to connect your Canon G620 printer to Wi-Fi? You've come to the right place. This video will take you through everything you need to do. First, we'll get your printer talking to your Wi-Fi network. Then, we'll add it to your phone using the Canon app so you can print wirelessly anytime. By the time we are done, your Canon G620 will be completely ready to go. Need help along the way? Just call the numbers on your screen. Otherwise, let's dive in. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Start by turning your Canon G620 and letting it fully initialize before moving forward. Find the settings button on your printer and give it a press to enter the setup mode. Look for the Wi-Fi setup in the setup menu that appears on your display. Then confirm your selection by pressing OK. Navigate to Manual Connect by tapping the right arrow. Then hit OK to choose it. Your printer is now scanning for nearby wireless routers. Make sure yours is switched on and ready. While we wait, go ahead and hit subscribe if you want more printer tutorials delivered to your feed. Scroll through the available wireless networks using the right arrow button until you spot your router. Once you see it, press OK to select it. Time to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the settings button to toggle through letters, numbers, and special characters until you've typed it in correctly. After entering your complete password, the printer will ask you to press and hold OK to save it. Go ahead and do that now. You'll see a yes or no prompt. Choose yes to move forward. Watch your printer display. It should show connecting as it attempts to establish the connection. Wait for it to display connected before proceeding. Once the connection is confirmed, press OK to acknowledge it. Hit Settings one more time to get back to your printer's home screen. Excellent! Your Canon G620 is now successfully connected to Wi-Fi. Next up, let's add it to your phone so you can print remotely. On your phone, grab the Canon Print app. If you don't have it yet, just pick it up from your app store. Launch the app and head to the bottom of the screen. You'll see an Add Switch option. Tap it. Select Register Printer from the menu. Give the app a moment to hunt for your printer from your network. Your Canon G620 should pop up in the list. Go ahead and tap on it. And that's it. Your printer has been added to your phone. Your Canon G620 is all set up and ready to handle wireless printing from your device. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.